Welcome to Acubez, Automated Cubes, the automation company for CNC machining. We are having functionalities that are going around the workpiece handling, pallet handling, and the combination between workpiece and pallet handling. Our system is easy to use, flexible, and very modular. You can change it and grow as you go, as your requirements are changing. What we see here is our Acubez 1400 base system. It is a workpiece handling system combined modularly with our pallet handling system, where workpieces are put into the clamping system, and then the whole pallet with the clamping system is put into the machine through our self-lock system to operate the zero clamping device that sits inside the machine. The Acubez SelfTalk Adapter is a unique and special adapter that enables us to control zero clamping system bases inside the machine without the need to have control channels to the base inside the machine. Here we see our Pallet Cube Max, which is a very unique module that combines with our modular system, putting a pallet with pieces into a laser marking machine, but this could be utilized for any CNC machine, for any machine for that matter. What we're seeing here is a number of Acubez systems that are working in synchronization, a machine tending of a lathe simulator, and a Renishaw equator. And the Acubez systems are tending both machines in a synchronized way to do what needs to be done.